Okay, so today we're gonna show you the installation of this Jag Diff. The cover that we made and why you kind of need this. I mean, you don't really need it, but you do need it to make it easier. Because you can see here, there's no mounting point for all-wheel drive for the Hondas, for all the kits out there. So this will help to make it a lot easier to do it, so you don't have to go and have a custom one made and all that, because this is the only mounting point that you can mount it to. So with ours, you can see that's just like how the regular wagons are basically looking at the CRV. See it? Same thing.
CRV wagon, yeah. Same thing.
Basically, that's all we did. Okay, to make it easier, because people are like, well, I could just make a kit, but it's probably going to cost you more to have someone fabricate something up for that, So
Sure.
This one's just a lot easier to do. So these Jag X type only, 02 to 08 here in the state, maybe 01 to 09 in Europe, I believe. But anyways, these right here, first thing you got to do, is these diff have to be run upside down. And what I mean is, they usually come like this. You see how the vent's on top?
Yeah.
See how it is? But on this thing here, the way that these motor rotates and all that and everything, and the transfer and everything, this one here, it has to be flipped upside down like this in order to use it. And that's another reason why we did with the cover, because the vent hole and all that and everything, and the feel, So we did it here like this, all right? So we the fill hole, everything is all measured out to exactly where the oils emerge in the same amount as flipping it upside down, okay? So, and also these gears here, you're not gonna have any problem running this thing upside down about the gears. We talked to gear manufacturers and all that. It said it's fine. It's the same concept as having the front transfer, the all-wheel drive. What did they do? They just basically have these gears flip upside down to run the other way. So there it is. The first thing you're going to need is, well, on this one here is a 10 millimeter. Some of them comes with an Allen, but this one here is actually a 10. You're going to need some sealant. As you can see, these comes with a cover with the bolt, plugs for it, and then also the vent here. Make sure you have that. And so if you need, let's say if you have it up, if it's dripping out here a little bit, you might have to run the tube up a little bit higher up, okay? So most of the time you don't need it, but first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and take all this off, okay? We clean the diff up here, so go ahead and take this thing off.
Wake up, just send a link. Life I got change in the eye of a blink. No make them trick your son read the fine print. No day again, everyone extinct.
There it is. So on this one here, after you remove this cover right here, you're gonna take this off. You're gonna pop this thing out, because that's actually where the vent hole is at. So it doesn't cause all the oil to splash into there. Yep. And then come out of here. So that's what that's for. So you're gonna take this thing out, because you're gonna actually reuse this. There you go. This thing up a little bit. All right. And this one here, you could just toss it. Okay. So now this one here, right here, you're gonna put this back in here like this. Okay. Usually you want it right about there. So you don't want to go, you usually put it right about there, okay? And just snap it in there, like so.
That's it.
Okay. There's like a little hook that's on here. It's the same thing as putting it on here. This one's just anodized. So we offer an anodized and the raw billet. Yeah. So, but we're gonna use this one today. Okay. See it?
All right. Nice.
So basically, it's gonna go on just like this.
So simple.
You can only go in one way because of the gear here. And you can see how big and beefy this gear is compared to this is the wagon. So anybody that's have doubt about this thing won't hold the power, crazy.
And if we have a wagon close by, I'll show you guys too.
The wagon's almost just like this,
yeah,
basically.
Same thing,
So you can see how take this gear as is. So now all you have to do is RTV. What is it? Get some RTV. Alright. Go ahead and apply the light coat.
I'm staying alive, I'm killing the journey, feel something brewing inside of me. You don't know the whole story, what I had to do and everybody doubted me. Yeah, I learned to
So
stay
yeah,
strong.
you can, okay, so you can see I'm just cleaning up the side, you know, just a real thin layer. Not too thin, so clean up the side. Okay, so like I said, this only goes one way. You can't go this way because of this right here. So it goes in here this way, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and also this thing will be supply, the hardware. This thing ready. Yeah, this thing will be supplied also. Okay, so from there.
Say you want to be a big fish, but you can't swim with the sharks. Yeah, ain't phased, don't change. Still the same when the camera's off. Look smooth, but I'm going hard. Play it cool, but I'm going off. If you want it, gotta take it from me. I can show you who the best is. All stats, no questions. You just check off the checklist. Don't think you're ready for this part. This is our moment, here we are.
Just hand tight it.
It's
That's it.
hand tight, right?
Yeah.
Snug.
Yeah, make it tight. There you go. Okay. Okay. That's it.
That's it, guys. There you have it. It's just that simple.
Yep, that's simple. That's it now. It's ready to be- But I would wait until this thing dries up. We're gonna wait until they dry up before we do anything. So that's pretty much it right there.
That's it. You can't even tell it's upside down because, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's actually better when it's upside down because this side is actually lower, but
More room on top.
more room on top. Exactly. So, watch. We have one over here that's installed.
Yeah,
Just
I'll show you that,
break it
yeah.
down a little bit.
As someone said, guys, grab your Jag Diff. I mean, there's a bunch of them in the world, you know, over 400,000. So just grab them.
Yep. So you see how this is bolted up here, the same diff mount.
Yeah.
And then this one here, you see, this one here had the other, so we cut it off.
Yeah.
And then now this one, we make the bracket for this. And then of course,
Upper
we're gonna,
brace.
yeah, we're gonna clean this thing up here. And then this thing just goes right onto here. So it's a longer bar, of course, you know.
Yeah.
We'll clean it up and then we'll weld that onto
Well,
there.
up there.
That's it.
I see
You ready to go?
the space up top.
See how
Reach the
much room
bolts.
there is? Yeah, there's room. There's no, this doesn't sit higher. It sits just like the wagon.
Just like the wagon. Look at
Wagon,
See it?
CRBC. You got room, space. and all that.
perfect.
So
And right there,
it's
the
not that
hole.
big.
Yep.
You can look over here. This is how much it comes down. See it? On the wagon, it's
Not
gonna
even-
be like right here.
Yeah,
so
it's not even that low.
maybe an inch lower.
And don't
Half
forget,
an
guys.
inch.
Sometimes you guys see this is all big. It's not that heavy. It's real. It's not that heavy at all.
Yeah.
Not that heavy. So, all right, guys. There you have your install. Don't forget, get your Jag Diff. Hit us up for that cover. Like, subscribe. S1 Build original parts. Don't buy that fake bull.
we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
All-wheel gripping, 4-4-wheel gripping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
All-wheel gripping.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord that's S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
All-wheel gripping, 4-4-wheel gripping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
All-wheel gripping.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.